Hey guys, this is Jason from The Glitter Guy, and we have another unboxing video for you. This is our August Quack Pack. It's spooky themed this time. Why don't we just get right into it? I'm actually the most excited for this box, like I am always every season. We'll figure out how I should hold this. So on top first, you should see the info card of what's inside. Sometimes in past boxes, there'd be like cross-themed merch and swag and stuff in there. I tried to go like completely across the board, fully themed out with the spooky this time, and I think that it worked out. So I hope you guys are pleased with all this. We don't have to run down completely on here. I just want to note that one thing on the checklist says 3 white back decals. There's 2 in here. Spoiler alert. That's a typo. I didn't short you guys. I wrote wrong on here. My bad. Anyway, first we have the swag item, which is a trick or treat bag. Spooky. All the spooky D's on here. With the newest edition, Zombie D. You'll see him all throughout this box. He is definitely, I think, my newest favorite. We have the decals. 2 spooky decals. They are a pumpkin face and a skull face. I love these guys. I picked everything myself in this box. I designed the printed vinyl. I did not design the decals, but they were pretty dang cool. Magnet, it's Zombie D. Like I said, you're gonna see him throughout the box. Sticker. I make the stickers now, so finally, that's why it's like comes on this bigger paper, but my sticker machine, I finally got it working, so we make all these guys in-house now. That's actually really fun. The printed vinyl for the acrylic blank. Let me go to the acrylic blank first. Acrylic blank this time, guys, is a skull. I thought it was pretty cool. It's probably a little bit big for on the keychain side, but he looks cool anyway. The printed vinyl, I designed this one. It's like a cracked skull look. It's the same pattern on holographic and on opaque. So we're gonna have the SVG. If you scan the QR code that's on here, it will take you to the listing for this. And that has the SVG download for you to be able to cut the skull out, and you can apply it super easy, or you can just apply it right on there and use like an X-Acto blade, also super easy. We have the VIP card and lanyard. It's once again Spooky D in black and white and in color. This QR code will also take you to the same listing that the QR code on the insert card will. Got the zombie hands and eyeballs on the lanyard. All right. There should be a little baggie in here, and that has a handful of the smaller items so that they don't get lost or misplaced. I'm sorry that the font came out so small on these, but it's the same thing that usually was on the back of the info cards. Next time, I'm gonna make sure that it's also still blown up on the back of the info cards, but it's just the info about the collect and win that we have with the Quack Pack tokens. If you guys are unfamiliar, in here, and I think we started it in February, you should be getting little letters. Keep these. I got the letter C this time. So you actually need 2 C's overall. You want to be able to spell Quack Pack, and after you spell Quack Pack, it's gonna take a little while. It's a lot of letters unless you guys are trading with each other, which that's fine too. Once you spell that, you win $1,000 in store credit. All right, moving on to the stuff. Get another stir stick. It's a random color in the box. It's not always gonna be green. It's gonna be whatever color you ended up with. This is the fairy lights. This is for the craft, so you should have a pack of fairy lights inside. The enamel pin. Let me get him out of here so that we can get a better look-see. Zombie D as well. All of the enamel pins always have a glittery effect to them. This time the heart and the dirt is glittered. But definitely one of the cooler pins. And then the last 2 things, which have been coming in all the boxes, the NFT tag and the keychain hardware. Now we're getting into the nitty-gritty. So the next piece is a 3D printed adapter that Craft Crate designed and made for me at my request. And this is for the craft. You guys will see in a moment what exactly it will be used for. The glitter, the new glitter is Panther, which is a medium cut of Black Cat. Long overdue. We have, I'm pretty sure I did this last spooky season box, but we have for the existing glitter, Ectoplasm. I have a habit of choosing Ectoplasm. It's my favorite color. In like the Staff Picks pack, it's in that pack for me as well. I promise I won't keep doing this. Sorry, but it's a really nice color, so like you're welcome also. The custom mix this time, the fusion, is Brains. I came up with this one myself as well. I usually actually anymore don't make the fusions. It's been Patty and Sarah for the most part for the past like year. And I was like, well, I need to make this because you know what? I should be pulling my weight a little bit, I guess, in the fusion department, especially for the Quack Pack. I love this mix. I think it looks a lot like Brains. New custom label, all the fusions anymore, if you guys haven't noticed, and a lot of the exclusive collections are getting custom labels because now I can make my own labels in-house. This one has zombies on it. I think it looks really cool. The wax candles also for the craft as well. The main part of the craft, we have a glass skull. This you will see if you watch the craft video, which I hope you guys do, what we're going to do with this, but the overall plan is that we're going to make a spooky centerpiece, and I think it's gonna come out really cool. This one was not bubble wrapped for the unboxing purposes. Yours better have been bubble wrapped. I've been watching them pack them. But I really hope it made it there quite safely. Lastly, but not leastly, we have the trial size of Fast Cast. If anyone has not had a chance to try it, now's your chance. It's in your hands. That is everything for the unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed the theme. I hope you guys agree with me when I say that I think that I hit the mark. I'm pretty happy with it, and I think that you guys are really gonna be happy with the craft video because it's gonna come out really cool. Don't forget, like, subscribe. If you guys aren't signed up for the sub box, don't forget to sign up for the sub box. There's more available. Go to theglitterguy.com and grab them now.